I just want to show you pretty fast, like how to create the boxes like this. What I'm usually doing, let's imagine that I need to create a box, but in a different, in another direction. So what I'm doing, I'm creating the rectangle of the box that should be created. And then I change the position of it, the dots, like basically what I'm doing, I'm adding perspective. I'm adding perspective to the product. Then if you've ever taken my non-traditional ways of using Figma, the next thing that I will do I call it wrap method. When you're wrapping something. Command G, so I'm creating another instance here. Oh, Command G, come on. Command D, duplicate. Then I change the position of this, for example, side. Then I make some changes here. Maybe something like this. Perfect. I think this should be a little bit narrower perspective. I understand that this side will be a little bit darker, but also I want to add shadow. And for the shadow, again will use the wrap method. Command D. I'll put it down somewhere here. This will be my shadow. The shadow goes below everything else. Then I change the fill to linear. From linear, I change the direction. And for this side, I will choose dark color, but low opacity. And for this one, dark color and a little bit higher opacity. A little bit higher. I don't need the entire one. Also, I'll apply the effect, not drop shadow, but layer blur. Just a little bit, maybe like 10. Let's try 20. Yeah, perfect. Let's change the opacity of the entire level to like 30%. Now we have shadow. And now when you designed your box, when you have, let's imagine that you already designed everything, what will be on the side, what will be in front. So I use the plugin called, I don't remember what's the plugin called. I just used the particular function, distort, or the plugin called Mockup. Distort, click here, then target vector shape. These 4 points, source any layer of a frame. I choose this side. Also, I choose 2x for retina displays. I want a high resolution here, and I click apply. And boom, now we have the first side of the box. And for the second side of the box, I want to make some changes first because I'm not happy with perspective, what it looks like. So I'll make it like this. So now I'm closing these two, select again, the new one, select the target one, again, double, apply. And then I have motion UI design box, but now it's in a different direction, looks in a different direction. So now I can get this product here. I can also apply some additional things that I really love to add, different shadows, gradients to make it look more realistic. So I'll choose radial. Here it will be also white. Low transparency. The light goes from the left side. Awesome, perfect. Also, I'll change it to 15. In addition to that, I want to create something brighter here. So I create a line that will be, let's imagine, 3 pixels white color, but linear that goes from top to bottom. Where's our top? This is our top. Perfect. Top to bottom, transparent. Amazing. Now I have this line that adds a little bit of, like realistic something. And I also can add additional shadow that will be a little bit smaller than that. I'm making it to create additional level of depth in the shadow, like 15. Perfect. And this is how I just created the box. So right now I can remove this box. I can take this, Command Option G to create a frame, put the frame inside. Moreover, you know what? Command Option K to make it component. Now I take this component, move it inside of our layout, reduce the size. Now I have Motion UI Design box, but that looks in a different direction. I created simply from 2 shapes and additional stuff. And now you understand how I'm creating all these boxes. So for example, the box for this masterclass was also created the same way. And you can create the boxes like this now. So what I would change, maybe I would add something again, like radio. That looks from here and will be pure white. This one goes here, maybe instead of the 20% will be 100%, and then I'll change the opacity to see what will work the best. And this side can be a little bit darker. Now it looks better. Awesome, I'm happy with the results. So now you know how I'm creating it. And we are ready to get back to the class. I hope that everyone got back. Oh, I was curious to know that part. Now you know this part. Amazing, nice trick. Thank you for sharing this info. Amazing. Love it. This is actually mind-blowing how fast and easy it is to create. It's so realistic. Yeah, I spent a lot of time, you know what, I started my design journey from industrial design. So I spent a lot of time analyzing light, analyzing 3D objects, analyzing like how everything is looking, working. So just wanted to show you some additional things. Okay, I'm not going to show. Yeah. So let's imagine that we have just a plant pot here. But as you can see, if you just see plant pot, that's fine. That's okay. I see here an incredible gold line, incredible gold gradient that starts with something like orange brown. Then in the middle, we have really light beige color. And then here I have dark brown color on this side. And here I have the reflection from my face. So this side is a little bit brighter. And this is how I learned how to create gradients, realistically looking shadows, gradients, and everything. I spent a lot of time by working on it, practicing to create it really fast. As you can see, I created the box for the masterclass for the digital product, and can be an ebook, digital product, or just even if you're creating, I don't know, a website, it would be the same, maybe a website in the form of the box or just anything. So I created in just 4 minutes. 4 minutes to create an image, the main image that will go everywhere on the product. Just 4 minutes. I don't need to spend hours looking for mockups, then designing something. No, just 4 minutes. So this is what you can do. Awesome. Thank you so much. Let's get back to the masterclass.